Hi guys, today we're going to be reading From Cows to You, and we're going to be reading about how we get milk. Now, I want you guys to read along with me, and when we're done, we are going to retell the story, what happens first, next, then, and last. All right, so get those pointer fingers out and let's follow along and read with me. Here we go. From Cows to You. Look at these dairy cows. They make the milk we drink. In spring and summer, these cows graze on green grass. In winter, the cows move into the warm barn. The farmer gives them hay to eat. If cows eat good food, they make good milk. Being a dairy farmer is hard work. Cows must be milked every morning and every evening. On small farms, farmers milk the cows by hand. On big farms, farmers use milking machines. The milk goes into a big tank. The tank keeps the milk cold. Cold milk will not spoil. Soon, a milk truck takes the cow's milk to a dairy. At the dairy, the milk is cooked. Bringing it to a boil will kill bad germs. Then it is quickly cooled. When that's done, machines put all the milk into cartons or jugs. After that, cartons and jugs full of milk get sent to stores. They are put in the dairy case. Look at all the kinds of milk we can buy. Who will drink the milk? You! Some milk is made into other good food. Dairy products make our bodies strong and healthy. Thank you, cows. Let's read some of our captions. Milk is cooked with other things to make cheese. Butter comes from milk. Ice cream is made from milk and then frozen. Fun facts. Moo. Most cows give enough milk every day to fill 90 glasses. Some farmers say that cows give more milk when there's music playing. All right, so at the beginning, I want you guys to think back to the beginning of the story. Let's turn back to the beginning. What did we learn about first? We learned about cows and that when they live in dairy farms, if they eat good, they give us good milk, right? And then we learned that the farmers or machines have to what? They have to milk the cows. And after they milk the cows, where does it go? They have to keep it cold in a tank, right? And before we can drink it, do you remember what they have to do? That's right, they have to boil it to get all those yucky, bad germs out. And then they put it in cartons or jugs and it gets shipped to the store so that we can buy it and drink it. Good job. All right, the last thing is, what are some things that our milk makes? We use milk to make things. Cheese, butter, ice cream, right? We use milk for lots of different things. I put it in my eggs, or maybe when you bake a cake, right? All right, we will see you next time. Bye.